Like branches of a tree, our lives may grow in different directions, yet our roots remain as one. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is a progress, and working together is a success. A warm good morning to each and every one of you. Honorable Chairman, distinguished COO, beloved Principal, respected HODs of various departments, faculty members, and my dearest alumni member, welcome back to Indian Academy Degree College Autonomous. At last, this beautiful day has arrived. I am sure you all have been eagerly waiting for this day. The concept of Indian Academy Alumni Association evolved for needs from both the ends, that is, academicians and professionals, in the aim of building a bridge between college life and career life, so that the freshest graduates are made proactive to face the current challenges of competitive professional world. Both the ends shall work hand in hand to help each other for achieving the goals. The idea took shape and formation of Alumni Association turned into reality on a virtual platform. It is mark of our undying tradition to invoke the Almighty at the beginning of an important event. Like the great philosopher once said, the function of prayer is not to influence God, but rather to change the nature of the one who prays. I would like to call upon Mr. Prabhaljan to render invocation song.
ಗಜಮುಖನಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಿದಾಯಕನಿ ವಂದಿಪೆ ಶರಣು ಗಜಮುಖನಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಿದಾಯಕನಿ ವಂದಿಪೆ ಶರಣು ತ್ರಿಜಗವಂದಿತನಾದ ದೇವದೇವನೇ ಶರಣು ಸೃಜನರಿಗೆ ವಿಘ್ನವನು ಪರಿಹರಿಪೆ ಶರಣು ಗಜಮುಖನಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಿದಾಯಕನೇ ವಂದಿಪೆ ಶರಣು ಮಂದಮತಿಯನು ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ಚಂದಜ್ಞಾನವನೀತು ಇಂದಿರೇಶನ ಪಾದ ಹೊಂದೇರ್ಪತರದಿ ಸುಂದರಾಂಗನೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಪದದ್ವಂದ್ವ ಕೆರಗುವೆನು ಸುಂದರಾಂಗನೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಪದದ್ವಂದ್ವ ಕೆರಗುವೆನು ಸಂದೇಹ ಮಾಡದಲೆ ಇಂದು ಕರುಣಿಪುರೋ ಗಜಮುಖನಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಿದಾಯಕನೇ ವಂದಿಪೆ ಶರಣು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you, Prabhanjan. Connect today, transform tomorrow. It's not just our mission, it's our wish for you all. I now invite Professor Jafar Mohammed to formally welcome the gathering.
Respected Chairman of Indian Academy Group of Institution, Dr. T. Somsekhar, respected Secretary Madam, Mrs. Bharati Somsekhar, Chief Operating Officer of Indian Academy Group of Institutions, Dr. Srinidhi K. Parthasarathy, beloved Principal of Indian Academy Degree College Autonomous, Dr. Jerome E. Xavier, Vice Principal, Professor Shalini, Head of various departments, participating alumni members of this great institution, fellow colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. For any educational institution, its biggest strength are the students, be it that are present or the past students, that is the alumni members. Alumni of any education institution are the crowning glory. In fact, some of the great institutions have been calling themselves as it is an institution of the students, by the students, and for the students, both current and alumni members. With this broader vision, we this morning are together virtually, hopefully in some time in near future, maybe physically as well, for the Alumni Global Meet 2020. On this momentous occasion, I'd like to extend a warm and gracious welcome to our Honorable Chairman, Dr. T. Somshekar, and the Secretary Madam, Mrs. Bharati Somshekar, in the absentia. We are extremely overwhelmed. The august presence of Dr. Srinidhi K. Parthasarathi, Chief Operating Officer of Indian Academy Group of Institution. We welcome you, sir. We are extremely fortunate to have in the helm of the affairs of our institution our beloved principal, Dr. Jerome E. Xavier. On this special occasion, we welcome you, sir. We also welcome the Vice Principal, Professor Shalini, other heads of various departments. We welcome you all. One of our senior most Professor Geeta Ravi, Madam. I think all of you can recall her teaching you English language. One way or the other, she has been involved in various activities in the institution. She is the advisor of our Alumni Association. Our Alumni Association is being guided by her. We welcome her presence on this occasion. We welcome you, Madam. Alumni Association is currently headed by our dynamic, energetic colleague, Professor Sudhakar Malla, sir. I extend a warm welcome to you, sir. The stars of the day, you old students, the alumni members. Without you, the program is nothing, and your enthusiastic participation makes it a day to start for many eventful endeavors and actions in future. I extend a warm and gracious welcome to each and everyone individually and on my own personal behalf. You are the stars and the galaxies. We are indeed proud of each one of you. I, on behalf of the entire institution, extend a warm and gracious welcome to one and all present here. I also welcome the other esteemed colleagues and participants. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Excellence is never an accident. It is the result of high intention, sincere effort, intelligent direction, skillful execution, and the vision to see problems as opportunities. One such excellent person is our COO, Dr. Srinidhi K. Parthasarathi. Sir, may I request you to address the gathering?
Thank you so much. It's an absolute pleasure to be with all of you this morning. A very, very happy new year, an year which ushers in lot of promise and lot of positive vibes. The year 21 gives us a very clear meaning. Each one of you is original to your own accord. Each one of you is born and made to be a leader. Each one of you ascend towards self-sufficiency. That is what the one talks to you about. But that one is preceded by a two in the year 21. And that is, the two stands for relationships, creating relationships, building relationships, nurturing relationships, and contributing to relationships. And what better platform to nurture, create, revisit your relationships than this Global Alumni Meet. Good morning to all of you. Very importantly, I am extremely happy that alumni have gathered virtually on this platform. We would have loved to see you. More than 700 alumni have shown interest and registered for this event, which itself shows your belongingness to this great institution. Indian Academy Degree College is a phenomenon. Over the 26 years of existence, when it started in 1994, the visionary, Dr. Somshekar, wanted to give it all to this institution. Very importantly, he had one thing in mind, one thing to dream of: being a professor, being a researcher, contributing to education. He had nothing else in mind but to create learning spaces for discerning students, generate knowledge through these learning spaces, and empower students. This revolution, which evolved in 1994, is in its 26th year of operation. And his dreams have been made true by each and every one of you. Your existence has given direction to that dream. Each one of you, my dear alumni members, have played multiple roles. You have been in various committees. You have been in learning forums. You have been in cultural committees, sports committee. In your own right, you have contributed to this great institution. Your teachers have given their lives for you. Why do I say this? This is because a life is determined by the number of seconds we live, and so many moments they have just given for you by preparing to come to the class, sharing with you what they have prepared, nurtured you as mentors, and taken you beyond. Alumni form the foundation pillar of every growing institution. And what a joy it is today that all of you have converged to this responsibility. Very broadly, the institution requests 3 broad supports from you. Is in terms of corporate relations, each one of you has been happily employed. Your organization has been doing a great job to the society. Indian Academy would like to contribute to the society along with your organizations. Point number 2, the name of Indian Academy Degree College is inseparable with you. Till the last moment you are on this earth, your profiles, your biodata, your resume would have the name of Indian Academy Degree College, and so the name is inseparable. It is our duty to develop this institution so that when you speak the name, you are respected in the society, for which we need brilliant students like you. You are basically the torch bearers of Indian Academy Degree College. And to light the torches or to light the lamp in the hearts of every discerning student who want to join Indian Academy Degree College, you have a major responsibility to play. And third, once our students complete their course, they need to be happily placed. Your organizations would be definitely looking at new talent. You could definitely put in a word in terms of your own institution, because this is an alma mater, and your contribution to this institution is going to gain that happiness within you. So my dear alumni students, welcome back to the alma mater and your principal, heads of departments, and the faculty members are here, along with all of us, are here to give you that warmth, what you have always craved for. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, sir, for those words of wisdom. A dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. More than a decade, the Alumni Association is striving hard to build the rapport between the member and alma mater. Indian Academy Alumni Association was contributing immensely to the development of the institution by sharing their expertise. The association could take a flight to next level in the progressive years with the new team of coordinators from all the streams to reach out each and every individual of IADCA, along with Professor Geeta Ravi as an advisor. I request Alumni Association Coordinator Professor Sudhakar Malla to brief about future plans and its operations.
A very pleasant morning to my dear alumni, faculty, and distinguished speakers. A very happy new year to everyone. Let me brief you about the Alumni Association. So first of all, thank you all. We got around 736 registered people. They are registered for alumni students are registered for this alum card, and your alum card you will receive it by evening today. And can you see the screen? Same screen. My screen is visible. Dear alumni, so this is so we have added some more colors and more base to the Alumni Association. Just we are at your service and we need your service for the campus now. So the event of this alumni, all the students were registered for this alum card, and this alumni global meet, every year we are going to host this the global meet. At the same time, we are going to host some more events. A new innovation for this alumni book club is we have brought about alumni book club. It's called ABC. So this is the alumni book club. How it works is, so if you have some textbooks or you have some university books or the subject books, and if you don't require that more and all, so if you don't need it, because once you're passed out students, you can just drop it to us here, so that books will be shared to your upcoming students, like current students, so that actually they get benefited by these textbooks. It can be a very small university textbook, it can be a question bank, it can be. So these books, rather than just recycling it in a different way, so try to recycle it in this way, so that your textbooks and everything, we can share it to your juniors, so the current students, so that they can use it and then they can share it to the next generation. This is just a small innovation program, so where you can recycle your books in a different way and a more innovative way. This is about the alumni club. And then we have IAM. IAM is Indian Academy Alumni Magazine. So this magazine is exclusively for you guys. So this website is also completely for you, because you own this website and this magazine is also yours. So as part of this initiative, what we try to is like, so blogging, writing, so to improve the literature skills among the students. So we want you all to contribute to this magazine. So this is a bi-monthly magazine, so which is completely related to alumni students itself. Now the very thing is, but you can just share some small stories of yours, your success stories, your stay in the campus. So what were like your sweet memories will be there, bitter memories might be there. Even you can talk about your village, you can talk about your home, your pets, even you can have some recipes, anything like whatever you feel like you want to share it to the world, you can just drop a message to us, you can just share it to us, so that we are coming up with this magazine. I am 21 for this year. So it's a bi-monthly magazine. So we release sub-editions every year. Like, so it will be in like a journal type. So you can contribute to this. And And in addition to this, I would like request to all the alumni students. So we want some volunteers for this alumni magazine, so that the good content writers who are good content writers, who are good in writing in English, who are good in writing in Kannada, your language. So if you can contribute to this, you can volunteer that. So you can just drop a mail so that you are interested with your profile page, so that we will just add you as the editor, chief editors, content writers, so that in your name, the magazine will be released out. And this will be continued every semester, so that we'll take, so that we can you can contribute more and more for this magazine. So this is where we want your innovation for this. And now I request your contribution for the alumni, for the campus in these ways. So it is about the program is internships programs and the stipend programs. As we have seen from your alum cards, so I've seen that most of the people are in reputed positions now in the companies, in MNCs. So if you have some internship programs, if you have some stipend programs, either it can be volunteer programs also. So why don't you drop a mail to us, and then you can give this internship program, so that our current students can get benefited by this. Even if it's a voluntary program also, we are ready to send our students so that they get benefit out of this. It can be a small internship program, it can be hands-on training, it can be a workshop, it can be international conference, it can be. So whatever you come across from your company side, or the initiative, what your company is taking it. So if you can take our current students into that, so we'll be very grateful to you, because in this term, right? So it can be even a volunteer also, or some small monetary stipends also can be given to them. Next thing is take us to your workspace. It's just a new way of industrial visit. So what we call as industrial visit, but we want in this way. So the way, like, you can in your company, so even if a batch wise. So if you belong to some company and you want some students who belong to commerce students, or BBA students, or BA students, or science students, and then you can organize some industrial visits. So we'll bring our students there so that they get motivated by you. So the very reason we conduct this these industrial visits, normal to companies and all, but it is, if you call up and you take this your juniors, so they'll feel more happy, and so that they get motivated by seeing you in such positions there. So we want your full cooperation in this way. So even it can be a very small batch of students also. So we will split up into this if your campus or if your office is having little limited restrictions are there. So we are sure that we'll split up into batches, and then we will try to help the current students, right? So this way they get more benefit out of that. And apart from this, we have a student development program, SDPs. This is also building link. So this is, again, you can be a resource person. So all of you are now settled in a certain very good positions now. And if you can become a resource person, you can come back to the campus on your particular topic. So even artificial intelligence, it can be, on machine learning, it can be, even in Excel, basic advanced levels. So whatever might be the module, if you want to develop the students, and most of you are in HR also. So if you want the requirements of a particular candidates, so that particular requirements, if you are well versed in that, if you are proficient in that, so why don't you just come back to the campus and then train our students now? So we are here to provide you a platform for that. So this student development program, like, you can actually become the resource person, train them there, so that we train our current students according to your requirements, so that we give you the best students for the job employment side. So this is where we want to bring in SDP programs. So you will be the resource person here, and you only will be the resource persons here. And then we have activity clubs. So in the campus, we have clubs like, so BBA, we have club, Commerce Club is there, Economics Club is there, Literature Club is there, and we have Nature Club also. Now, recently we added some innovation, like we have a Culture Club in the name of Swaralashya. So these clubs are actually, we want to bring some innovation, we want to bring some talent from the kids outside, right, from the current students. So these clubs will be like an activity, like hour based. So it can be one Saturday, 1 hour, it is included in the timetable. So now what cooperation we want you in terms of this activity clubs is, so why don't you organize some activities for them? So it will be more, because we feel that your ideas and your creative innovations will be much more better than our ideas. So it's a completely virtual world. So in how the pandemic has taught us how to be more virtual and how to be online more efficiently. So you can sit in your home, you can form a small group of your alumni team, and then you can host a program here. So we are going to provide the platform to you in this particular rubber you can form. It can be a fun-based activity, it can be a knowledge-based activity, and it can be a small rallies also we do conduct everything. So these type of club activities, if you are bringing some contribution to this, so your ideas will bring. So the current students will get more and more motivated by that. They'll feel more happy about these things. That is where we want your contribution in this activity clubs also. And next thing is the scholarships committees. Like scholarships, we have around 45 scholarships in the campus. So the management and along with some donors, they actually contribute to the scholarships. So we have three criteria. One is the merit, and then merit cum means, and then we have the girl child. So in addition to these scholarships, so if alumni, if you can contribute a little bit to some student exam fees, it can be a bit petty cash or something like, it's not like a donation, something like that. So if a particular batch of students can actually go and help the economically backward student in that case, so that will be good. And so that is related to scholarships and all. So this is where we want your contribution, alumni contribution, and we will be very grateful to you if you can give us. So the how to connect to us is very simple. We have the email ID. You can just drop the email IDs along with your profile, and then we'll get back to you. Now we will connect you to your departments. Do we reconnect you to your departments now? Now, if you're students of BBA, if you're students of BCom, students of science, MSc students, MCom students, so you want to plan, like you are batch of 2010 batch, you want to come back to the campus, and then you want to get connected with your faculty members. You want to meet your dear faculty members, and then you want to come and classroom. You can get and arrange a get together there. You just drop a mail to us, so and so batch. We want to come back to the campus. We want to get together in your campus, in our campus. So we'll arrange a platform for you. We will reconnect you to your department. So your department can get in touch with you, and then we'll arrange a program for you. So you can arrange a get-togethers, not outside, but in the campus. So in that way, you can actually interact with the current students also. So that will be more grateful. Like, this is how we can arrange it for you and get together. In addition to this, we are planning for some more innovations. Every year before the graduation ceremony, we are going to conduct these meets, but not a virtual one. It will be a realistic one. So then you can come back and then again visit the campus and all. So this is the part of things. And we do have some events. So what are the events? And this website is completely based on the Google site. So where you don't have any privilege to post anything in this, but rather you can drop a mail to this. By the end of this month, so we are going to create a WordPress website exclusively for alumni students, and that will be released by the end of this month. So that we are going to keep a discussion board in that based on your departments, and we will tag all the faculties in that, so that actually you can discuss with them, and then you can get connected with them in a very better way. So we'll add a discussion board in that, and you can post all the job links. If you have anything, you can post it up. And related to the job description also, if you have any job in your company, and if it is a freshers are there, so that you please write to us. So, and you post a job over here, and then we will share it to the respective students or respective department, so that they will train them. And if you drop a job description also, we will send it to the department, so that the department will train their students according to your requirements. And then we will help the current students so that they also get placed in this. So there's a complete job market outside if we have the alumni. So you alumni students, we want your complete support in this. So we are a little innovative way, but we'll be more grateful to you if you render your support to this alumni association. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. A teacher purpose is not to create students in his own image, but to develop students who can create their own image. Today, we have with us a few course HODs who would highlight on the activities involving alumni in their respective departments. Let us hear from Professor Shalini, Vice Principal and Head Department of Business Administration. Over to you, ma'am.
Good morning to all of you, respected dignitaries, my dear faculty members, and the student alumni who have joined virtually. A very happy new year to all of you. May God bless you. May God bless your family too. Yes, a special moment that we are going for a virtual meet. I could see some of our students who have joined from different parts of the world. Sri Lankan students, I could see there, BBA, BCom, BSc, all the students are here. Yes, with regard to the alumni interactions, we in the Department of Business Administrations, we have lot of activities where alumni are involved. To name a few, as it is already told by Sudhakar sir, our club, this student clubs that we have every year from last 6 years, our club is inaugurated by an alumni. We have that practice of inviting the alumni, and the alumni will come and inaugurate the club, and also they will give their insights as how they were active in the club activities and how it helped them when they take up the corporate positions. And one more very important aspect here is the students, when you were part of Indian Academy, we were affiliated college, but no, with all our performance and achievements, in the year 2016, we are being given the autonomous power so that we can set the syllabus and we can conduct the examinations. So in that regard, board of studies, when we have to make the syllabus or when we are designing for the value added programs or add-on programs, we do consult alumni for their thoughtful information, because the era is to connect with industry. Education has to connect with the industry. So whenever we are designing such programs, whenever we have to bring in no activities with regard to that, we do refer the alumni and we take their opinion also. I request those who are in that capacity, kindly share your thoughts and opinion so that we can take your assistance. And yes, last couple of years, our alumni are helping us in internships, HR internships. They are offering finance-based internships also. They have offered for our students. Yes, we expect a lot more to come from the alumni so that we can place our students, or we can also train our students when they are the regular students of our college. Yes, we also have started two no activities from last 2 years, that is WOW, that is Week of Welcome. Especially when the first year students join to the course, alumni will come and they will share their opinion. It is no, it is like a warmthness is given from them so that the freshers or the no new joinees will feel comfortable and they know what is going to be their life for next 3 years. That is one more initiative that we have started in the department. Yes, alumni are there who are helping us and who volunteer and no, sharing their views and opinions and experiences, how a college institution has helped them in molding their career. And one more activity that we have with alumni is e-talk, entrepreneurs and intrapreneurs. Yes, I do know that most of our students have become entrepreneurs also, and they are also working as intrapreneurs. Yes, we have e-week, no, entrepreneurship cell conducts e-week. So in that, we have a talk called as e-talk, entrepreneurs addressing our students. We expect a lot more to be coming from your side, my dear alumni. So these are all some of the activities as industry connects, and also the CSR initiatives. We are known for our institutional social responsibility activities. Every department will carry the departmental social responsibility activities. So in that also, we expect the alumni to help us out, because nowadays corporate companies will initiate lot of these kinds of activities. If you have any such no assistance from the students, please reach out to us. We have done it with IBM last year. One of our alumni is associated with us, and we have done it last year. So if any one of you, when you are working, if you find that yes, you require some of the students for these initiatives, we are here with you all. These are all some of the things and the thoughts that was running in our mind, and we expect the same from the alumni also. Be an active member in the association and stay connected. May God bless all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Moving right along, I would like to call Professor Anuradha, Head Department of Computer Science. Over to you, ma'am. Okay. I now invite Professor Deepa, Head Department of Humanities.
Arya ma'am, can
Yes,
you
I
hear
can
me?
hear. Yes, yes, Deepa, ma'am.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Good morning all. Happy New Year. I'm Ms. Deepa, Head Department of Humanities. It gives me immense pleasure to address you all on this memorable occasion of our Alumni Global Meet. It is moment of happiness as all of you have joined this meet on the virtual platform and having established yourself as successful individuals in various fields. This meet provides us the opportunity to interact with many of our graduate students after a long time, as well as provides them a chance to meet each other, former teachers and other staff members. We are glad to share with you few of our activities organized by our department. Guest talk, workshop, industrial visit, field visit, intra and intercollegiate fest, exhibitions, club activities, social enrichment programs. Our alumni are invited to inaugurate our clubs and they are called as judges for various activities. They are our helping hands always. From our department, we have lined up few alumni engagement activities for the days to come. Activities to build bridge between college life and career life so that the fresher graduates are made proactive to face the current challenges of competitive professional world. In arranging workshops and training programs by alumni where they can share their journeys with the current batch and can discuss about the job prospectus in their industry. Inviting alumni to share their feedback in order to make the curriculum and activities more relevant to subject offered to the students. To blend both professionals and career support for alumni through networking. Networking merges both industries and institutions as a catalyst and utilizing the opportunity provided to the students. Thank you. Wishing you all the best for the journey ahead.
Thank you, ma'am. I would like to call upon Dr. Vanita, Course Coordinator of Life Science. Over to you, ma'am.
Yeah, am I audible, Maria?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
You can go ahead.
A very warm good morning and wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year. Respected Chairman Sir, Secretary Ma'am, COO Sir, Principal Sir, colleagues and all our alumni students. It's indeed my great pleasure to welcome among us the alumni of our institution on behalf of Department of Life Sciences, Indian Academy Degree College Autonomous. I appreciate the idea of alumni meet, which creates a special bonding between the students who have passed out and who have established themselves as successful individuals in almost every field of their lives. And we are proud of the same. A decade ago, the Department of Life Sciences was small and struggling to get an adequate enrollment. But if we talk about today, the strength of Department of Life Sciences has increased. It consists of more than 170 students. Our graduates have widely spread throughout the globe in search of growth, learning, knowledge, and their performances make difference everywhere. As our college has become an autonomous institution, Department of Life Sciences are offering value-added program intensive activities besides our regular syllabus in order to make our students very much suitable for industry and research activities. Our placement cell is performing an excellent job in providing pre-placement training on grooming and self-introduction, communication, aptitude test, resume building, group discussion, mock or panel interview, guest lecture, etc. Our placement cell invites placement recruiters from various companies such as Molecular Connections, Anthem Bioscience Private Limited, Concentrix, Trione, Bionova, Cipla, Biozine, Omega, Indigene, etc. are placing our students. Besides an effort taken by placement cell in the execution of its objectives, we seek our alumni your support and suggestions to enhance and execute the vision and mission of our college placement cell in placing your juniors. I also request you to assist your juniors in getting internship and placement in pharma companies, research institutions, etc. I would like to thank all of you for your keen participation. I wish that never give up in life and earn fame, name, and a promising career, and come to us to tell your success stories and reward this college with your achievements. Have a successful year ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Up next, we have Professor Sushma Shri, Head Department of Commerce, UG. Over to you, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Am I audible? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you, ma'am.
Okay. A very warm good morning to the dignitaries joined in the virtual meet, and a hearty welcome to all the alumni who are connected with us today virtually. Good to see you all back again. It's definitely nice to cherish and refresh those memories the way we were connected in the campus. For some of you, I might have been a faculty. For some of you, you must have seen me as a HOD. But definitely feels good, a very good start of the new year, in fact, connecting with our dear ones. With respect to Commerce Department, we've had this alumni engagements being done annually every year. We've usually involved you in guest lectures, and we would like to take it forward henceforth. Your role is very important in this institution, connecting back to the alma mater, right from curriculum design to the campus engagements like co-curricular activities that the department does. We want you to connect back and involve with us right from guest talks, because that is where we can share, rather you can share your experiences over the period of time, your progressive years that you've had right from student here in the campus to the big designations that you have currently. And another important thing is, yes, we have to ensure that our students are employable, for which we need to mold our students better, for which it's good to have experts like you who've gone through the experience to share your insights and experiences with the students. That will be a fantastic thing. And going forward, we should definitely be able to bring in more alumni connects with to industrial visits, internships, because that's the need of the hour now, because we are all heading towards skill development at a very aggressive way. So that is where we need your involvement. And definitely now we can work more as peers, as coming back as alumni. It's definitely an advantage for the department and for the institution. Once again, I wish you all a happy new year, a very peaceful and a prosperous one as you unfold every day in your personal life as well as in your professional life. Thank you so much. All the very best. Hopefully we shall meet soon in the campus. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Moving right along, I would like to call Professor Anuradha, Department of Computer Science. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Maria. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Maria. I'm sorry there was a technical glitch from my end. Respected dignitaries present in this meet, colleagues, and my dear alumni students, good morning to all. At the outset, I would like to thank all the alumni, especially the BCA alumni, for joining this meeting. Thank you for promptly registering for this meet and enthusiastically joining this meet. Dear alumni students, my humble request to you, to all of you, is that whenever you find time, kindly come down and share your expertise and experience with your juniors. Your presence in the campus and your guidance would enable your juniors to easily relate with you and get highly motivated to dream big and achieve big in their lives. You can plan programs or workshops that would give an industry connect for the current students and execute such programs in our campus. If you get to know about internships being offered to college students, inform your juniors about it, which would be of great support to your juniors. Also, we would appreciate if you could give your feedback on the existing syllabus and the changes to be incorporated. In short, be there for your juniors, reach out to them, and maintain a very strong alumni network of IADCA. Thank you. Over to you, Maria.
Thank you, ma'am. Let us hear from Dr. Lakshmi Kantamma, Course Coordinator of Physical Sciences. Over to you, ma'am.
A very warm good morning to one and all present in this virtual meet. A very happy new year to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure to address you all on this auspicious occasion of Global Meet 2020. Today is very important for us as it provides us the opportunity to talk to our graduate students after a long time. I express my heartfelt gratitude to all of you for taking time out of your busy schedule to be with us today. I hope all of you have nice memories to remember for your lifetime from college side. Such meets enables the alumni to notice the changes and developments happened in the college. 2 decades ago, our college was a small organization, and if we talk about today, our graduates have widely spread throughout the globe in search for growth, learning, knowledge, and their performances make difference everywhere. I still remember many of you showcasing your outstanding performances in curricular and extracurricular activities in the institution and other institutions and got laurels to the institution. I would like to appreciate many of you on this occasion the multiple roles played by you in the society. My heartfelt appreciation to those who acted as warriors during this pandemic situation, and many of you are still continuing your support to the society. As a teacher, I am very proud of you all. As all the HODs informed, even we from physical sciences have lot of activities conducted from the department, and I would like all of you to support and encourage your juniors to participate in all such activities, and you people, the alumni, to help your juniors in placements and getting ready for life and to be a good human being for the society. Finally, I would like to thank all of you for your keen participation as well as the support you have always extended towards your alma mater. Keep continuing the same support to the institution and especially for the department. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Up next, we have Professor Dr. S. Kantimathinathan from Department of Commerce, PG. Over to you, sir.
So, respected dignitaries, chairman and the secretary and the principal of this college and CEOs and all my dear colleagues, wish you happy new year. It gives me the immense pleasure to participate in this forum. I welcome you all for this Alumni Global Meet. I wish all the best for whatever you are doing. It is always good to recall your association, a student in our department. Now we'll look to you all as real estate alumni members of our institution. The present scenario, it is necessary the industrial-based knowledge are required to the students. Hence, all are requested to help the students of our college for strengthening the industrial-based knowledge which have already gained by all you people. We request you to enthusiastically participate in all the future activities of Aluminum Association. Let us mutually work to take it to greater heights. So thank you everyone, given me an opportunity to share this forum. Thank you very much. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Now we have few alumni from different countries to address the gathering. To start with, we have Ranisha Pereira from Sri Lanka, Navy officer. Over to you, Ranisha. Ranisha, are you there? Up next, we have Kariyappa manager from IBM.
Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Kariyappa here.
Kariyappa, can you switch on your camera?
One moment. Just...
So please confirm. Please.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, you can hear
Now,
you.
hi.
Yes.
Good morning, everyone, and wishing everyone a happy and a prosperous 2021. Thanks one and all for getting us together as an alumni. For this particular day, it's quite overwhelming. To talk about myself, I'm a batch of 2005. Passed out in 2005. I joined the IIDC in 2000. I started my PU and graduated from IIDC. So my batch, that's 2005, was the second batch to pass out. And post that, it's been a great journey with IADC. I mean, we were running on the annual scheme of education system, and we had a wonderful rapport with the honorable principal, the great faculties, especially the accounts, the Geeta madam, and many other people. And then it was really wonderful time that we had this 5 years with Indian Academy. Well, post that, I joined IBM. My career with IBM was for almost 15 years with IBM, and we could not be a part of the alumni for most of the time because of various other reasons. But wherever I could pitch in, or our batchmate could pitch in, we did our best. I was part of one of the hiring for IBM, where I could contribute a little bit in absorbing few candidates from Indian Academy to IBM. Yeah, that's a small contribution that I could do it. But I would be certainly looking ahead to give my contribution as an alumni in whatever possible manner. That as some of the HOD mentioned in terms of internships and various other programs. Yeah, I would certainly try my best to pitch in wherever possible to enhance the learning curve, as well as the development towards the Indian Academy and its long legacy that I would certainly look forward to. Yeah, that's it from my end. As an pass out of Alumni 2005, we already there in a WhatsApp group where all kind of communications keeps flowing through to understand what is happening in the college and what kind of events are coming up. And thanks a lot, Geeta madam, for all your contribution in keeping the alumni intact and getting the communication going through for what are the events that is happening at this point of time. Well, yeah, that's it from my end. And like I said, our support is always there for the for Indian Academy and the batch which passes out, or any kind of knowledge sharing or learning curves or any kind of trainings that is possible from our end. Yes, and I'm sure my batchmates from 2005 or 2006 or till 2010 or 15, whoever there, I will definitely pitch in and give the best to help the younger and the nurturing buddies passing out. So saying this, thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to speak in this forum, and you will have a wonderful year ahead, and good day. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Cariappa. Up next, we have Prashant, businessman. Over to you, sir. Mr. Prashant.
Madam, we have 3 Prashants here. If they can raise the hand, then it will be better.
Mr. Prashant.
Hello?
Yes, sir. He has raised a hand. You can see there.
No, Sahana has raised the hand actually.
Sahana has raised a hand.
Yeah, I got it.
Yes, sir.
Hi, am I audible?
Yes, Prashant.
Hi, all. Good morning. Good morning to all. My name is Prashant, 2010 pass out. I really appreciate one and all attending the event today by spending their time from their busy schedules. I understand everybody will be like after the new year, everybody are on the work and trying to spend some time here. Yeah, that's great. And it's really nice thing, it's really nice to listen the our lecturers, speaking over the years. Like after many years, it's been more than 10 years. I'm listening to all our lecturers having the speeches, and I still feel that I'm still a student here. That's how it is. So yeah, I'm so happy and happy to see the wonderful initiative that the IIDC has brought in today for all of us and present students and also the future students. I request all the alumni to contribute anything that they can possible ways, like either by hiring or getting some internship for the future students or present students. Yeah, that's how it is. We surely do that, and all the best for IIDC, and hope we get this program success. Yep. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Prashant. I now invite Mr. Ugain from Bhutan. Ugain, are you there? I don't have access. Ugain, can you raise the hand so that he will unmute?
Okay, am I audible?
Yes, you can go ahead.
Firstly, a very new year to all my mentors there at IIDC and the entire management of the IIDC. It's so wonderful to see everyone on virtually, but even though it is virtually, it gives us a sense that so exciting to see all our mentors there, honestly speaking. And then had it been in real, I think the excitement level might be more higher than that again. So that's just a virtual, but even the virtual is giving us this excitement. So thank you for this opportunity to IIDC to it's such an opportunity for all of us to basically come together and at least share something. And then listening to all, I think it was really wonderful. And then just to talk about myself, I graduated in 2012 from IIDC with a BCA course. And of course, currently now I'm working here in Bhutan with the law college here in Bhutan. I'm also an academician as of now. So it is really good to see. And then I know how difficult it was back then for our mentors to tackle with us, especially as a student. So I can now really see the pain as being a teacher. It's not really an hard, easy task. So I feel the pinch now. So that's why I have a great respect to all my teachers a lot. So with this, listening to the HODs, being far away from IIDC in a different country, if there is any international students especially from Bhutan, if they're studying, and then if they really need any support from me, I'm always there to help and guide them from my side. So I'm very much eagerly waiting if I can be of any help. Of course, I do always think IIDC as part of my life, because I'm the product of IIDC, no doubt. So that's why it's always there, and I'll try my best to render as much as I can to IIDC. So with this, I end, and thank you. And once again, Happy New Year to all.
Thank you, Mr. Ugain. A true leader has the confidence to stand alone, courage to make tough decisions, and the compassion to listen to the needs of others. He does not set out to be a leader, but becomes one by the equality of his action and the integrity of his intent. At this point, I would like to invite our leader, Dr. E. Jerome Xavier, Principal, Indian Academy Degree College Autonomous, to address the gathering. Over to you, sir.
dearly beloved alumni of Indian Academy Degree College Autonomous, along with you, we have the members of Indian Academy Education Trust headed by our chairman and the COO of Indian Academy Group of Institution, the heads of various departments, members of the faculty this morning. What a way to begin a new year 2021 with the alumni. It is indeed a great honor to the Indian Academy Degree College. A very warm welcome, greetings, and wishes to each one of you for the year 2021. I truly pray and wish, may God bless each one of you abundantly. May He be gracious to you as He has brought us through COVID-19 from 2020 to 2021. May you all have a great, memorable, and prosperous new year. Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram, three great mythological Indian names. However, today, Satyam, Sivanadar, Sundar Pichai are the names of the three world-renowned Indian corporate heads ruling the software kingdoms. Yet, each one of them is humble enough to acknowledge and associate themselves with their alma mater, wherein they have nurtured their creativity, intellectual process, developed their personality, social quotient, intellectual quotient, and emotional quotient. They have always expressed their gratitude to their alma mater. All of you, dear alumni, would agree with me, the institution where we have spent the most youthful and energetic days had a great impact, deeper influence, and a lasting impact, indelible memories, and have also played pivotal role for what we are today. All of us have inculcated eternal and everlasting values like trust, friendship, love, respect for one another from our alma mater. I am glad that many of you have responded to this global alumni meet of Indian Academy Degree College Autonomous. Some time ago, while we were reflecting and reviewing how to revive the Alumni Association of Indian Academy Degree College, it came upon to us that the role of the present faculty members is very important if we need to unite all our alumni who are spread in more than 27 countries. I'm glad the response was really very, very generous. We had a large number of faculty members who are willing to become part of this alumni association and organize this global meet. However, I have to limit it to only a minimum number, which is now headed by Professor Sudhakar of the Department of Biotechnology. Of course, without denying the role played by Professor Geeta Ravi for many years, who continues to remain as the advisor, as she is in touch with most of you. And I'm sure it is the faculty members who are the link between the institutions and the alumni. And as alumni, I want to share with you that we have three important roles to play. Number one, you are an ambassador of Indian Academy Degree College. You are a visitor and you are a contributor to the society. As an ambassador, we know we represent the organization or the institution to which we belong. I am sure you, my dear friends, as you are at different levels of career in your life, most of you would have reached certain heights, and when you look back, you're always grateful not only to your parents, friends, but most of all to your teachers who have influenced you to eternity. That's one reason, even after 20 years, who belong to the first batch or second batch, are able to remember your teachers. And I want to tell you, my dear friends, you have an important role to play in the society as ambassadors of Indian Academic Degree College. Whether it is near workplace, at home, or society, you will always find that sometime or the other they will keep asking you, where did you do your studies? That is precisely what I am trying to say, that the institution wherein we have spent the most youthful days had tremendous amount of influence in nurturing great values and shaping us for what we are today. Therefore, as an ambassador of Indian Academic Degree College, you must understand you have to bring in changes in the society, changes towards betterment. Today's society requires great, committed, and selfless citizens who will be at the service of the people. Whichever field that you have chosen as your career, I want to tell you, my dear friends, that you are an important person and you can play an important role and bring in tremendous amount of changes. You again will agree with me, it is the individuals who have brought in changes in the culture, in the society, and in communities where we live in. That is why I request you, please consider it as a personal mission that you are the ambassadors of Indian Academic Degree College. And every act of yours, your behavior, your contribution will reflect the institution from which you have stemmed from. The second one, I said, you are all visitors. When I say visitors, that doesn't mean you are an outsider. Being part and parcel of Indian Academy family, as you are away from the campus, I request you all to visit your alma mater, which is the college, at least once a year or twice a year if you are nearby. In case you are in other states or other countries, whenever it is possible that you make a trip to Bangalore, you must visit and meet the teachers. You must express your gratitude, your affinity, and your respect for your teachers. For teachers, the appreciation and compliments and the gratitude that they receive from their own alumni is of great value and treasure. Therefore, my dear alumni, do not feel shy or do not think that your appreciation or compliments are not considered as important. It is important. Every word that you say to your teacher changes their life, changes their attitude towards students. Therefore, as an alumni, you can change even the present faculty members to contribute better to the student community. Therefore, you being an alumni, please make it a point that you visit our institution, your alma mater, at least once a year or once in 2 years and so on. And the third important one I would like to request you is, as human beings, our life is worth living provided we have contributed to the lives of the others. Influencing others for better living is one thing, but contributing to the others' lives when it pinches you is the most important thing. If it doesn't pinch you, you have not given anything. Only when it pinches you by giving of what you have to somebody else, then we can say that you have truly given. And as I said, we are all here to give, not to receive. We have received enough. As we grow in life, we must become givers, givers of our time, givers of our life, and of course, contribute in some way or the other in educating the youth. I know very well each one of you is holding an important post in your organizations. You may not be able to change the illiterate youth of India completely, but if you can contribute for the education of one or students in your life, I can tell you, my dear alumni, you have done a great job. Educating the girls, educating the boys who are financially very, very weak is very important. That is the only way that you can contribute. The institution may not require you so much, but the youth of today who are financially backward, who are living in rural area, require our contribution, our generosity. The magnanimity of giving something of your own will come, provided your heart is big. You are able to think big. You are able to see the need of others and feel for them. As an alumni, I want you all to be great human beings by contributing to the development of the youth today. If you can do that, I can assure you, as the alumni of Indian Academy Degree College, we will be building a great and beautiful society. God bless you all. Thank you very much for joining us this morning for this global alumni meet.
Thank you, sir, for those thought-provoking insights that you shared with us. We have come to an end of this Global Alumni Meet 2021. It's not happiness that brings us gratitude. It's gratitude that brings us happiness. I deem it's a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks at this Global Alumni Meet 2021. First and foremost, I express our hearty thanks to Dr. T. Somshekar, Chairman, Indian Academy Group of Institution, for giving us a lot of encouragement in every program we undertake. Thank you, sir. Our heartfelt thanks to the CBOBO, Dr. Srinidhi K. Parthasarathi, who always motivates us and guides us to adopt new and innovative ideas. Thank you, sir. I express my gratitude to our principal, Dr. E. Jerome Xavier, for his vision and commitment to excellence and its execution. Thank you, sir. I also wish to express my gratitude to Mr. Chandan, IT Manager of Indian Academy Degree College, for providing effective technical support. We are grateful for your support. Thank you, sir. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation to various heads of department and faculty members who are grateful for the time and effort you have taken to share your creative ideas and innovative plans. Thank you all. Even like this cannot happen overnight. The wheel starts rolling weeks ago. It requires planning, a bird eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated members of Alumni Association. Thank you all. As a part of initiative, alumni office bearers have brought 300 books to be distributed in the Government School of Hennur. Thank you for your wonderful initiative. You can do what I cannot do. I can do what you cannot do. Together we can do great things. On this point, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you all, dear alumni who are with us, thanking you for your enormous cooperation, involvement in this Global Alumni Meet 2021. Thank you all. Have a nice day.